Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind the most talked about beauty products. Today, we're reviewing the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in the shade Honeysuckle. This glossy, plumping lip product has been making waves, but does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump is designed to give your lips a juicy, glossy finish while providing a bit of plumping action. It's available in several shades, but today, we'll focus on the Honeysuckle shade, which is a lovely warm nude. The formula contains maracuja oil, a hero ingredient known for its hydrating properties, and it's meant to hydrate, plump, and smooth the lips. It's also vegan, cruelty-free, and designed to work for all skin types. Now let's dive into how this product performed in real-life testing. I started incorporating it into my daily routine and was immediately impressed by the texture. The product applies smoothly and feels cushiony on the lips. No stickiness, which is often a concern with glosses. The Honeysuckle shade is perfect for a natural, everyday look. It has a slight sheen that makes lips look fuller, but it's not over-the-top shiny, making it versatile for both day and night wear. The plumping effect isn't dramatic like some lip plumping glosses, but there's definitely a mild tingle when you apply it, which feels fresh and soothing. In terms of longevity, it stays on for a couple of hours, but you may need to reapply after eating or drinking. Given its glossy finish, it's not the most long-wearing product, but that's pretty typical of glosses in general. If you're looking for something to last all day, this might not be your go-to, but for quick reapplication, it's super convenient. The packaging is sleek and easy to use. The twist-up stick ensures you don't have to dip your fingers in a pot, making it a more hygienic option for on-the-go applications. It's compact, so you can easily slip it into your bag without worrying about it taking up too much space. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. First, the pros. The formula is lightweight and hydrating, which is a huge plus, especially if you're someone who experiences dry lips. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, which will resonate with many beauty lovers who prioritize these values. The shade Honeysuckle is a great neutral, and the plumping effect is noticeable without being overwhelming. It's perfect if you like the glossy, voluminous lip look without the sting or irritation that some plumping glosses can cause. On the flip side, the cons are mainly related to longevity. If you're looking for a long-lasting lip product, this might not be the best choice, as it requires frequent touch-ups throughout the day. Additionally, the plumping effect is mild. Some people may want more noticeable results, and if that's the case, you might need to look for something more intense. As for value for money, this lip plumper is priced in the mid-range. While it's not the cheapest gloss out there, the high-quality ingredients, comfortable wear, and the vegan, cruelty-free promise make it worth considering. If you're someone who loves a high-end feel with a natural, hydrating gloss, the price point is justifiable. When comparing it to other similar products on the market, it stands out in terms of its smooth texture and the fact that it's made with maracuja oil. While other lip plumpers may use peppermint or cinnamon for a plumping effect, maracuja oil offers a gentler alternative that hydrates and nourishes the lips without causing irritation. If you're sensitive to more intense plumping sensations, this could be a great option. The packaging is sturdy and well-made, which is a bonus. It's not the type of product that feels flimsy, which is always nice when you're paying for a higher-end product. As for longevity, since it's a gloss, it's naturally less long-lasting than a matte lipstick, but I'd expect to get a good couple of hours of wear before needing a touch-up. Now, in terms of alternatives, if you're on a budget or just want to try something different, there are plenty of lip glosses out there that offer similar hydration without the plumping effect. One option is the Fenty Gloss Balm, which is hydrating and gives a similar glossy finish, though without the plumping component. For a more budget-friendly alternative, the ELF Lip Lacquer offers a similar texture at a fraction of the price, though it doesn't have the added plumping benefits. Overall, the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump is a great option if you're after a lip gloss with a slight plumping effect, a comfortable feel, and a natural finish. It's perfect for those who want a hydrating gloss that's easy to wear every day. If you're someone who loves a more dramatic plumping effect or a longer-lasting formula, you might want to look elsewhere. But for anyone who's a fan of soft, hydrated lips with just a touch of volume, this is definitely a product to try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below if you've tried this product. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.